Hello, good people. How are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Captain Richie 254, and this is your #1 aviation channel. So, in today's topic, as you can see, we are going to talk about the four forces in aviation. So, we have four forces that act against the aircraft. You have two that works for an aircraft, and you have other two that works against the other two forces. So, we are going to check about these forces. And first, number one, we're going to check it's about weight. We have weight. Number two, we have lift. Number three, we have drag. And number four, we have weight, we have lift, we have drag, and here we have thrust. That is, so these are the four forces that we normally have in an aircraft. For an aircraft to move forward, in an aircraft to to slow down and coming to land. So I'm going to have us in order for us to have more understanding about these forces, I'm going to have a small sketch of an aircraft. So, but I'm not good in drawing that is. So, but I'm going to have just a small drawing of an aircraft. Yeah, like that. So don't laugh at my drawings, guys. So we have that. We have this one. It comes all the way to the other side, and we have something that we call, the propeller. Yeah, don't laugh at my drawing. I'm not actually good, in drawing. And we have, the wings of an aircraft. These are the wings. So those are the wings of an aircraft. Yeah, so this is just a small of it, how it looks. Yeah, but I guess you are all familiar with this. So about the four forces, we have the force that actually pulls the aircraft forward like this, which is thrust. Yeah, we have thrust, and we also have a force that acts against thrust. That works as a resistance. It's working up against. You're trying to push something forward, but there's something that is trying to drag you behind. So that is drag. That's work against thrust. And also we have another force that helps the aircraft, to go upward or to maintain upward. That is, that is lift. And we also have another force that works against lift, that is called weight. Sorry about that, weight. What am I doing? Yeah, so we have the four forces in an aircraft that works. The two forces, thrust and lift, works for an aircraft. It actually helps an aircraft, more especially when it comes to time of taking off. Also, we have the weight and drag that actually also helps an aircraft in the times of landing. So they all have purpose. Even if they work against the other one, they have all purpose. So for an example, when an aircraft is taking off, we need more thrust that will compensate the drag that you have. The drag is the it may be result of the weight that we have, and also the air. We need to make this aircraft to be more lighter than the air that we have. So the air that is hitting all the parts of an aircraft may actually makes the aircraft to drag. Also, in the time of taking off, we are going to increase the, if an aircraft is taking off and we have more drag, it's not going to take off. Yeah, and more drag is going to be in the result of the weight that we have in the aircraft. Remember, the weight of an aircraft, it's the weight itself of an aircraft itself, plus the luggage that you are having, the passengers, the pilots that you're having, everything that is on the board of an aircraft. It is the result of the weight of an aircraft. So we for an aircraft to take off, we need more thrust that will compensate the drag that the weight that is going to be in the result of a drag dragging us behind and making the aircraft not to take off. And if we are able to overcome these two, we are going to have the lift. Yeah, and the lift, if you are flying or you are watching any aircraft that is flying in the cockpit, you hear the system or the pilot saying V1 rotate. Now in the time of rotate, it means that the thrust that you have has been able to overcome the weight and the drag. So if the pilot pulls back the yoke, we are going to have lift. At this point, we have the thrust and we have the lift. The thrust has been able, to overcome those two, weight and drag, and now we have the thrust and the lift. And this is what is going to help us taking off and maintaining the altitude, reaching the cruising altitude at the top, at the maybe 30,000 feet, 5,000 feet, 11,000 feet, according to the type of an aircraft that we are going to fly. But maybe in some of these aircraft we normally go to 8,000 feet above the sea level. So those are the four forces that you have, and I know maybe you may have wondered what actually helps an aircraft to move forward. The more these rotors that you have here, the more they rotate, and the more they give us the thrust. Yeah, they push the aircraft this way. Yeah, and also if the aircraft is moving this way and it's on the ground, everything that you have checked on very well, we have we have to have more thrust than the drag, that is. And also for an aircraft to come to land, that is now where the weight and drag come. If an aircraft is coming to land and we have more thrust than the drag, mark my words, that aircraft is going to crash. But if you have at this point, we continue reducing the thrust and increasing the drag, and also having a bit more of the weight to that will make the aircraft to come slowly down with the help of the drag. We are going to have a good landing. At this point, we do not need more thrust. In the time of landing, that is, we do not need more thrust and we do not need more lift, because we are coming to land. We need a bit more of weight. We need also a bit more of drag that will help us to have a proper and a smooth landing. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you very much. Also another thing, for big aircraft, in the time of landing, by lowering your landing gears, that is the wheels, also helps in the increase of drag. It's not a matter of weight, these ones, but they help us in increasing the drag. By increasing the drag, it will help us by when the wheels are down, the air that comes from the front, it hits these landing gears, making an aircraft to have more drag and slow down in a way that you're going to maybe as a pilot, it's going to give you easy time for landing and easy landing for a big aircraft or big jet. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching until that far. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumb up if you like it. Thank you.